If you're having trouble verifying your identity on Gmail, don't worry. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your recovery options. Ensure that your recovery email and phone number are up to date. Go to your Google account settings and verify that the recovery options are correct and accessible. Step 2. Use account recovery. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Answer security questions. If prompted, answer any security questions you set up when you created your account. Provide accurate answers to help Google verify your identity. Step 4. Provide additional information. If the initial verification fails, you may be asked to provide additional information. This could include previous passwords, account creation details, or other identifying information. Be as accurate as possible. Step 5. Wait for Google's response. After submitting your information, wait for Google to review your request. This may take some time, so be patient. Check your recovery email for any updates regarding your account status. If you followed these steps, you should be able to successfully verify your identity and regain access to your Gmail account. Good luck!